This is AQA A-level Chemistry. It's a multiple choice question on practical skills. I'm going to recommend you pause, have a go, and then review. So if we take a look through this and you've had time to read through the methodology of what is a required practical, a titration, we need to work out which of the 4 examples are going to give us concordant titers. I'm going to run through and try to explain why the suggestions are either right or wrong. If we were to use a more concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide in the burette, the impact of that would be that you would need to use less of it. However, that doesn't mean that you would be getting any more concordancy. It wouldn't have any measurable impact in that way. Adding extra drops of indicator near the end point, well, indicators do act as buffers, but the smaller volume possible is used because they can have an influence on the results. So we absolutely would not do that. Washing the pipette with distilled water between each titration, when this question was in an exam, was actually the most common answer given, but it would be totally incorrect, and indeed it is incorrect. That's because if you rinsed out your pipette each time, what you're actually doing is potentially leaving water in there and diluting what you're about to measure. So that would mean that we would have different levels of dilution and we would get much less likely concordant results. The correct answer is A, and we know that we should be inverting our volumetric flask several times, ensuring it's fully mixed. And that means the concentration is going to be equal throughout the whole solution. So the correct answer is A.